Are you curious about the ketogenic diet and whether it truly lives up to its hype? The ketogenic diet, also known as the keto diet, has gained immense popularity in the recent years. But what exactly is it? How does it work? And most importantly, does it deliver the promised results? Let's separate fact from fiction and discover the truth about the keto diet. When it comes to food and diet, we often categorize our intake into three major macronutrient groups: fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. These macronutrients play a crucial role in our bodies and provide us with energy and essential nutrients. However, these proportions of macronutrients can vary significantly depending on the type of diet we follow. In the typical American diet, carbohydrates tend to dominate, making up a big portion of our daily caloric intake, sometimes even reaching up to 50% of our daily intake. This includes foods like grains, sugars, and starchy vegetables, which are often consumed in large quantities. Fats consist up to 35% of what we eat, whereas protein around 15%. First, let's understand what the keto diet is all about. The ketogenic diet is a very low carbohydrate, high fat eating plan that aims to shift the body's metabolic state into what we call ketosis. In this state, the body primarily breaks down fat and produces ketones, and uses that for energy instead of relying on carbohydrates. To achieve ketosis, the typical macronutrient breakdown in a keto diet is 70 to 75% of fat, 20 to 25% of proteins, and only 5 to 10% of carbohydrates. So that's around 10 times less carbs than in the standard American diet. So what's the science behind ketosis? When you drastically reduce your carbohydrate intake, your body's glycogen stores become depleted. As a result, your liver starts producing ketones from fat, which serves as an alternative fuel source for your brain and muscles. This metabolic switch is what defines the ketogenic state. Have you heard of the keto flu? The process to start burning fat instead of glucose takes a couple of days. During this period, you can start experiencing some adverse effects such as fatigue, headache, brain fog, irritability, dizziness, nausea, difficulty sleeping, and sugar cravings. These symptoms can actually resemble those of an actual flu, but are not caused by an infectious virus. Many people turn to the keto diet for weight loss, improved mental clarity, and potential health benefits. But does it live up to the hype? Let's explore the evidence-based facts. Several studies suggest that the keto diet can lead to initial rapid weight loss. In fact, low-carb and very low-carb diets have shown to be very slightly more effective than low-fat diets for short-term weight loss, but not for long-term weight loss. Long-term success on the keto diet can vary, and individual adherence and sustainability are key factors. Some individuals report enhanced focus and mental clarity on the keto diet. Some studies show a potential benefit in patients with Alzheimer's disease, helping with working memory, reference memory, and even attention. However, scientific evidence supporting these claims are limited, and more research is needed to provide a clear link between ketosis and cognitive function. The keto diet has shown potential benefits in certain health conditions, such as reducing seizures in children with epilepsy. There's also ongoing research on its potential benefits for metabolic syndrome, type 2 diabetes, and certain neurological disorders. However, it's important to know that the keto diet may not be suitable or necessary for everyone. While the keto diet may have its benefits, it's important to consider the drawbacks and the challenges associated with it. Some common concerns include nutrient deficiencies. So, restricting carbohydrates can limit your intake of essential nutrients found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. It's important to ensure you're getting adequate vitamins, minerals, and fiber from other sources. Another concern can be sustainability. The strict nature of the keto diet can make it hard to maintain over a long term. Social situations, dining out, and potential side effects like the keto flu can affect your adherence. And another common concern is elevated cholesterol levels. The keto diet's high fat content can lead to an increase in cholesterol levels in some individuals. It's important to monitor your cholesterol levels and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Remember, no single diet is universally superior, and finding an eating plan that is sustainable and meets your nutritional needs is key. It's essential to consider your individual goals, preferences, and health status when considering a dietary approach. Prioritize whole, nutrient-dense foods and listen to your body's needs. To sum up, the keto diet can be an effective tool for short-term weight loss and may have potential benefits for specific health conditions. However, it's essential to approach it with caution, consider your individual needs, preferences, and health status. It's very difficult to adhere long-term and might not be suitable for everyone. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making any major dietary changes. We hope that this video provided you valuable insights into the keto diet. Remember, our goal is to empower you to make informed choices about your health. Comment down below if there's any other types of diets you'd like to learn about.